So we're unboxing the Anker USB multi-port chargery thing today. It's a bit of an unfortunate name because you can add things in front of it like tanker, so you can have a tanker, or if you want to be a banker, so you can have a banker. But yeah, it's just a bit of an unfortunate name for a product or a company. So we're just going to undo this. I'm going to show you quickly what's inside the actual box. There's not much to this, it's quite simple. It's just basically a charger. If you need something to charge more than one device, and this is one of the high-powered ones as well. There's a little leaflet there saying happy, question mark. Let's see what's set. Right, not happy, another question mark. So this is the actual box. This is the actual charger side of it. This is the welcome guide as well. So that's the charger. Let's see what else we've got in here. Just packaging, more packaging, and you got that, which I'm assuming is the power block for the actual USB power block. Again, get rid of that. So you've got a charger installation adhesive tape. So I'm assuming this is where you put that on there and then stick it to something. So you've got this little chargery type tape thing, sticky thing. 3M. You got this little Velcro stuff as well. It says Anker on it, and that as well. So basically, the actual Anker charge of it is, if we open this up, it's very well made. It looks quite quality, basically. You've got the logo there in front. And you've got 5 ports on the side there. So the top two ports are apparently supposed to be the fast charging ones, which is, if you have a look closely enough, you should be able to see it in blue. The ports are actually blue. And you've got the connector there. So it's as easy as that. Just plug it in and then put stuff in there, and happy days. That's it. Enjoy.